David Allen's Getting Things Done, GTD, is a productivity system designed to help individuals manage their tasks and projects efficiently. The book outlines a comprehensive method for capturing, clarifying, organizing, reflecting, and engaging with tasks to achieve stress-free productivity. Allen emphasizes the importance of having a trusted system to store and manage all commitments and ideas, freeing the mind from the burden of remembering everything and allowing for greater focus and creativity. The GTD method begins with capturing all tasks, ideas, and projects in a trusted system. This can be a notebook, digital app, or any tool that reliably holds information. Once captured, each item needs to be clarified by determining if it is actionable, and if so, defining the next steps. Non-actionable items can be discarded, deferred, or stored for reference. Organizing is the next step, where tasks are categorized based on their nature and context. Allen introduces the concept of contexts, such as at work, at home, or waiting for, to help group tasks and make it easier to decide what to do next based on the current situation. Projects, which are larger outcomes requiring multiple steps, are also identified and tracked separately. Reflecting involves regular reviews of the task list and projects. Allen recommends a weekly review to ensure everything is up to date and that priorities are clear. This reflection process is crucial for maintaining control and ensuring that important tasks are not overlooked. Finally, engaging with tasks means taking action based on the organized system. By having a clear understanding of the current context and priorities, individuals can make informed decisions about what to work on at any given moment, leading to increased efficiency and reduced stress. Life lessons from Getting Things Done. Capture everything. Keep a comprehensive and trusted system to capture all tasks, ideas, and commitments. This practice ensures nothing is forgotten and reduces mental clutter, allowing for more focus and creativity. Clarify and define next actions. Break down tasks and projects into clear, actionable steps. Knowing exactly what the next action is for each task reduces procrastination and increases productivity. Organize by context. Categorize tasks based on context, such as location or available tools. This helps in quickly identifying what can be done in the current situation, making task management more efficient. Regular reflection and review. Conduct regular reviews of your tasks and projects, ideally on a weekly basis. This ensures that priorities are aligned, tasks are up to date, and nothing important is missed. Engage mindfully. Make informed decisions about what to work on at any given moment based on your organized system. This approach maximizes productivity and minimizes stress by ensuring that you're always working on the most appropriate task.